Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So today we'll see how you can secure your Moodle element. So there are multiple way. So basically, there are many ways you can secure the Moodle, but MFA is the one that is recommended for the Moodle elements. So NFA is in Moodle. If you search on the web, you will find the plugin that is called Multi-Factor Authentication. So this will come up under a tool MFA. Okay, so if you come to see, this is created and maintained by Catalyst ID. And if you see the latest release at 14 months ago, if you come to see the version, and you'll find here the last version they have upgraded up to 4.2. But ideally, it should work with the latest one. But whenever you are working with older Moodle version, then only you need to download from here. But if you are working on a Moodle latest code, as of now, the Moodle latest version is Moodle 4.4. So this will be the part of your Moodle core code. Okay. So if you download this and try installing, the Moodle will say this higher version of this authentication plugin is already installed within this LMS. Okay. So let's see how you can enable that MFA. So for this instance, I have already enabled, but let me drive you through how you'll be able to do it at your end. So for this, since this is a plugin, you'll find another plugin. Then here on this page, you can search for multi-factor authentication. Okay, so the moment you click on that part, you will see here the list of factors and whether that is enabled as of now or not. Okay, so this MFA will give you enough enough right so that you can have a combination of either one or two factor, or you can also go for the many factor at the same point of time. Okay, that means if I click check this, enable this mail, and I enable this authenticator app, so it will be asking, you'll have the facility either you can go for one of them or you can go for both. Okay, so you'll have that facility, but it is ideal if you enable this only once at a time, because if you go for the multi-factor authentication many at the same point of time, it may be confusing and the time consuming for the learner as well. So in my case, I have enabled this email part only, email factor only as of now. And so you don't have to just enable here only, you'll also have to make sure you have enabled this. You'll have to check this one. So by default, it remain the unchecked, and also the everything will be like disable mode. So currently you see it's enable one, the email one. Okay. And the settings you'll see here, the email. So validity duration. So whatever the code will be sent over the email for the MFA will be valid to 30 minutes. In case you want to reduce the time, you will have here, you can make it 10 minutes. Okay. So the model gives default as a 30 minutes. So let it be. But in case you have to adjust anything around this, you are all free to do that. Okay. So now if I click save changes, okay, now how it will be working at the for user. So let me log out from here, and I'll be trying here, login again here. See if I'm using this credential, and I tried login. In case I have put it my credential correctly, it will be sending me the email for the verification. Okay, so if I come back here, I can see this is the mail. You see here the 0 minute ago. So this is the code basically it sent, and the email content you see, hello, here your verification code for this your site name, and the code can only be used once. Here that the time was mentioned because this is the coming from the code. Okay, so I am going to use this here, and the moment you paste, it will be redirected to the login area. Okay, so it's that simple. You can enable this at your end, but please make sure you'll have the exact or the correct email ID every user will have. Otherwise, they will not be able to log into your system. Okay, so that's it from this video. Hope you'll have uh, Hope you will be using this multi-factor authentication within your LMS. That's it. Thank you. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.